Samsonic Trading CO is making waves in the trading world, but before you jump in and invest, there are a few things you need to know to make sure you're making the right decision. In this video, I'll break down the 7 key aspects of Samsonic Trading CO that you need to consider before buying, and I'll give you the inside scoop on how it stacks up against the competition. First off, one thing that stands out with Samsonic Trading CO is its user-friendly interface. Trading platforms can often be overwhelming, especially for beginners. But with Samsonic, the interface is intuitive, making it easier to navigate. While many competitors like Robinhood and Webull are easy to use, Samsonic takes it up a notch with a cleaner layout, customizable charts, and a seamless experience across both desktop and mobile. It's clear that Samsonic focused on usability. Next, let's talk about their pricing. Samsonic Trading CO has some attractive pricing options, especially when compared to other platforms like Ntrade or TD Ameritrade. Many platforms offer free trading, but Samsonic also includes some advanced tools and research features without additional fees. Plus, there's a free trial available. I'll tell you more about that at the end of the video. The third thing you need to know is about their customer support. This is often an overlooked aspect, but it's critical, especially if you run into issues during trading hours. Samsonic's customer support is top-notch, available 24/7 via chat, email, and phone. Unlike some competitors that may have long wait times or lack comprehensive support, Samsonic ensures you'll get timely assistance. I've had first-hand experience with their support, and they're responsive and knowledgeable. The fourth thing I want to highlight is their educational resources. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a beginner, having the right resources is crucial to your success. Samsonic offers an excellent range of educational tools, tutorials, webinars, and articles that cater to traders at every level. While platforms like Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade offer great educational content, Samsonic's resources are more accessible and better organized for quick learning. Next, let's dive into their research and analysis tools. Samsonic Trading CO provides real-time data, market news, and detailed technical analysis that helps you make informed decisions. Their premium subscription gives you access to exclusive insights, including expert predictions and forecasts. While some competitors like Interactive Brokers offer similar services, Samsonic makes them more user-friendly and easier to access, especially for those new to trading. The sixth thing you need to know is about Samsonic's security features. Security is always a concern when dealing with online trading, and Samsonic doesn't cut corners here. They use encryption protocols and two-factor authentication, ensuring your personal and financial data is safe. This is something you'll see with most top-tier platforms, but it's worth noting that Samsonic has really put a lot of effort into making their security robust. Finally, let's talk about the community. Samsonic has built a strong community of traders who share strategies, tips, and advice. If you like the idea of connecting with others and learning from them, this is a great feature. Unlike some platforms that feel more corporate, Samsonic has a personal touch, helping to foster a sense of camaraderie among traders. So, if you're considering trying out Samsonic Trading CO, I highly recommend checking it out. They offer one of the best free trials in the industry, and you can get started without any risk. Click the first link in the description below to get access to that free trial and some exclusive benefits. Remember, if you're serious about trading and want a platform that combines ease of use with powerful tools, Samsonic Trading CO is definitely worth exploring. Click the link below and don't miss out on the best offer available right now.